boys and girls, and welcome to Gorn Guitar. We have TAI VERDES, our guy, TAI. Okay, so he has this song called Stars. So it's based upon 3 different chords. We will look at the strumming pattern here, and we have certain notes we want to hit there. So yeah, a combination of that will be great. Let's take a look at this one. Capo on the 1st fret. All right, so with that we have F, C, and E minor to work with. So let's first take a look at the chords. The first chord, F, is a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on the A string, 3rd fret on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so we'll look at the strumming pattern first. All right, so the strumming will be like this. If you have F as an example. Okay, so that will be down, down, clap, down. So, and if you want, and I suggest that you do that, you play the first down on the bass strings, then the next down, a little bit down here on the mid top strings. And then comes the clap, and the final down there will be on the bass strings. So, bass, top, clap, bass, bass, top, clap, bass. So down, down, clap, down. All right, so we have certain notes we want to highlight here, and in this song it's a little bit experimental. So I have one example of how you could play. It's not played like this during the full song there the entire time, but this is one example of how you could play. And this version is played, but it goes back and forth and then play around with different notes there. But anyway, this is how you could play and just stay around these 3 chords. So first, the F, when you do the down there, you hit it on the E string at least, and the next down you want to hit on the 2nd fret G string. That is the note you want to highlight there. So on the 2nd down, then comes the clap, and then bass. You do that for 2 rounds. So bass, top, clap, bass, bass, top, clap, bass. Then you shift to the C, and you follow the same procedure there. Now you have the 3rd fret on A string as the new bass, so down there. The next down there, you want to highlight the open E string. This one. So bass, top, clap, bass. You do that only once, and then you go to the E minor. And now you have, again, the E string there, the open E string as the bass. So down, and then the next down, you want to highlight the open B string. Okay, so bass, top, clap. And then comes this ending here, which is played on the B string. 1st B, open B, and open G. And that's it. So F, 2 times, and then C, and then E minor. And for this E minor, to be able to pick these notes, I usually use my fingers here when I handle strumming, and certain notes there that are a little bit tricky to get. I use my fingers so to really have control there. It's up to you. You have the notes there and all the tools to handle TAI VERDES Stars. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please support me here. Leave me a like on this tutorial and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So why not? So thank you, and play tuned.